So I'm Jason Taylor Vehicle Sales, in Invercargill and Cromwell branches in there. We've got this fantastic shed I've got built through Alpine Buildings, and who have been very, very fantastic to deal with. Great communicators and a very well built shed. This is a 20 by 12 shed, high stud I think you'd call it, clear span, a 5 bay, and as you can see 3 roller doors. And it's just for normal storage, everyday shed storing. So very happy, and I can't wait to use it when we've got it finally finished. Got some electrical stuff to go in now, and it's not far away, so very happy. And the guys, I must say, work very hard. I've never seen builders running on the job as they're working. It's been very good. Come across Alpine Buildings, I checked out a few other shed places too. Just liked their communication, which is really big for me, especially because I'm just very busy with what I do. So the guys rang me, kept updating, and just initially went with them because the communication was very good. And it was just easy for me, so I did less for myself. So they did it all for me, and the plans, everything. So all I had to do was pay the money. It's great. It's probably a bit more than I wanted to spend, but I'm very happy with the outcome because you pay more, you get better quality. Honestly, the service was second to none, and that's big for me. I like having good service, so you're paying for good service, and I think with Alpine Buildings that's what you're getting good service and good quality and a good team. If you are looking at a sheds or any other sheds, I think Alpine Buildings is definitely my go-to. I'll definitely be building another one, and I'm pleased I've gone through the timber frame shed rather than steel. It seems more sturdy and less noise as well. Very happy, and again, very happy, and thank you to the team at Alpine Buildings.